We've just released Memory Map for All version 2.2, and it's got a couple of new features that I'm going to tell you about in this video. So all of these features are available on Android, iOS, as well as Windows and Mac. If you've used our legacy product on the Windows PC, you may have used the 3D fly-through, and now that's available on all platforms, even on your phone. And this is something that people have used on our PC app for several years, and whether you think it's useful or just a party trick, that's up for you, but it works very nicely on iOS and Android now, as well as all of the desktop platforms. So as you're flying through the 3D world, you can change your viewpoint, you can tilt the camera up and down, although it's a little bit jerky. The other thing we have, if you press and hold on the GPS lock button, we've got vertical exaggeration, which this particular route, it doesn't need any exaggeration at all, but if you're in areas with less elevation change, it's handy to crank up the vertical exaggeration a bit. The other thing is the lighting. If you press the lighting button and then click on the screen, you can change the position of the sun like that. So that's the 3D fly-through. The other thing with the 3D that we've got with Memory Map for All is if you're using it to navigate in a field with a GPS, you can use the 3D view to show the map in a heads-up orientation. So just press the GPS lock button and it'll show you your position on the map with the map oriented in the direction you're going. So a lot of people will find that useful if you're driving or on a bicycle or whatever. So another new feature that we've got is the ability to adjust the map colors. So under map options, I'll show you the mute map colors first. So what this does, if you've got a lot of overlays on your screen, sometimes it's hard to see your overlays because the map itself has a lot of features that are kind of cluttered. So the ability to put the map itself in the background and just see your overlays is useful in some circumstances. So that's under settings, map options, and mute colors. And then enhanced map colors does the opposite. Sometimes if you're outdoors, and then sometimes it helps to have more saturated colors on the map to see the map more clearly when you're outdoors in sunlight. There's another option here which is to invert the map colors. So when you're in dark mode, say driving at night or something, then let's set it to dark mode. Then the whole map itself is kind of inverted so that it's not so bright on the screen, and it's just to try to allow you to use the map without destroying your night vision. So that's useful for marine navigation as well as driving at night. Other features that we've got that are new, we've got printing. So now you can, this is just on the desktop platforms, Windows, Mac, and Linux, you can print what's on the screen. Obviously, we've had printing for a long time on our legacy app. Then Memory Map for All was really designed more for real-time navigation in the field, but now we have basic printing in Memory Map for All as well. That's all I want to show you today, and version 2.2 is currently in a beta release. You can go to the website, you can download the beta versions for Windows or Mac, or for the mobile, you have to join the beta program through the App Store and use like Test Flight or the Play Store to get the beta. So I hope that's useful, and let us know how you get on with the new features.